How to hard reset iPhone 16 Pro Max. In this video, we're going to show you how to reset your iPhone 16 Pro Max, whether it's for troubleshooting or if you want to start fresh with a factory reset. If your iPhone is unresponsive, frozen, or you just need to refresh things without losing any data, a hard reset is the way to go. To hard reset your iPhone, simply press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button, power button, until the Apple logo appears. Your iPhone will restart and refresh itself, and the best part is, this method doesn't delete any of your personal data. A hard reset is useful for resolving performance issues or when your iPhone becomes unresponsive, but it's not a full factory reset, so your data remains intact. If, however, you want to erase all the content on your iPhone, maybe you're selling it, giving it away, or just want a fresh start, then you'll need to do a full factory reset. To do this, go to Settings, tap on General, then scroll to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. From there, choose Erase All Content and Settings, which will completely wipe your phone. Be sure to back up your data beforehand, as this action is irreversible. You can back up your data via iCloud or iTunes to make sure you don't lose anything important. Before doing a factory reset, remember to back up your data. To back up via iCloud, go to Settings, tap your name at the top, then select iCloud, and make sure iCloud Backup is enabled. You can also use iTunes or Finder on your computer to create a backup. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.